Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I be Tiana Food and Lifestyle. Today I will show you how I make this sharp okra soup. Very easy, quick, not dey take plenty of time. I hope so you go stay with me to the end. If this is not your first time, welcome. If you be returning subscriber, now you try pass, I salute. First thing, I go dey make use of all of these ingredients. I get dry fish, I get shrimp, meat, fresh fish or frozen fish, I get onion, I get cow skin, I get kpomo, I get many things wey I go dey use, but make you just stay as you go see the other things wey I go use for this soup. So first of all, I go put my meat wey I don wash inside pot. Make sure say you wash your meat, no go carry meat for store say they don wash am come just cut am put. No, you know, put the meat first, and then the next thing I do, I put in my sliced onion like so. I put more than enough. This meat plenty, no be only this soup this meat wan waka for. You get another thing wey I wan use am for, so I say make I use one stone kill two birds. That's why the meat plenty like this for this pot. Okay, so now as I don put onion, the next thing wey I go do na to put in the remaining spice. So I put in a little bit of my special spice. You know, put wetin you get, but do well to check my description box so that you will see every ingredient what I use. I put in my Maggi like so. I put the measurement in my description box so you will see them depending on the quantity of meat wey you use too. Then I put in my Cayenne pepper like that. I come mix them. Then I go mix some, make everything enter like this. You fit use your hand though, but make sure say your hand dey clean. The next thing what I go do now to put some of my cow leg inside. This cow leg I don't cook them before I put them, so I go follow mix and make the ingredients enter. Next thing, I add small onion wey remain because I need them to get taste. No be say you go boil meat no go get taste. And you know say as I add the cow leg inside, I need to also top am up with small season wey go, you know, make am up with the meat one. Then I come cover am, carry am put for fire, put am for medium heat. Then my fish wey I don wash well, slice am like this. I dey use two. I go come carry am put for plate. I season am. That na just small salt. Then I go also put a little bit of Maggi to give am nice taste, make seasoning enter. How you go dey chop food no go get taste, you go just dey manage dey chop am. Now wow, even if you no wan do anything, you no fit give yourself treat, you only live once, so enjoy yourself well, live healthy. You no go dey say because Christy say make you enjoy yourself well, now you wan go kill yourself with enjoyment. No, anything wey you dey chop am well. Next thing, I put that one for air fry. I go back to my meat. I put water for the side because now I need juice of this meat to take cook my soup. I put them by the side. I know they like put water on top my meat where I don't put season, so I dey put them by the side, make the water run in. Then after I do them like that, I will cover them again to allow them boil for another 5 minutes. You see as the thing dey boil, as the boil finish, I open them. I like as it be. Next thing I go do, I put in my kpomo. Now this kpomo na kpomo wey I don pre-cook. I buy am for store, I wash am, I come cook am with normal water. It don soft. Now I dey use cook this soup. I come put am, cover am. As that one dey for low heat, I carry another pot put for fire. I put palm oil. I no dey bleach this oil I just put palm oil, put am some onion. I go come stir am. Now the reason why I dey do this one na another way why I dey take cook okra soup. If you check my video, go through my videos, you go see another way why I cook okra, boiling method, normal method. But this one, I wan make this taste of that onion come out. Now make me dey use this method. I come put in my air fried fish wey I don put for air fry wey don dey alright. Put am inside the pot, stir am like that, allow am to comot the onion taste so that it go enter inside the fish like that. Next thing I go put my shrimp wey I don wash am well, clean am, put am inside, come turn am allow am, then put my habanero pepper. Na so dem dey call am for here na pepper. Some people dey call am ghost pepper and small pepper wey dey hot. Yeah, na habanero pepper dem dey call am o. I don blend am, I come carry am put inside too. I like as e be, make everything cook, make the pepper taste enter inside the fish too. Next thing wey I do, I come pour some of my meat water wey I comot from the meat, pour am inside, turn am like that. This soup if e no make sense na one thing, but I too sure say this soup go make sense. The soup make sense bad. Next thing wey I do, I carry my bonga fish. Bonga fish na small fish wey dem don dry well. I carry am, I come put am inside the pot, I come turn am. All this na make e for enter, make the season enter. And before this bonga fish, I do am like this. I don soak am overnight or soak am for hours because this fish dey hard. Next thing wey I do, I come put am small maggi, I turn am, make everything for enter. I'll allow this thing make e cook for 5 minutes. You cover am, you let am. 5 minutes later, you come back, see as the thing dey boil. You see as the thing dey boil. You see as e dey boil. E make sense, abi? Correct. Next thing, I turn am again because I no wan make e burn. I just want make all the seasoning, everything, make dem jollificate. Make everything enter together. This soup make sense. In fact, make we just finish. I come carry all my meat wey I don boil for the second pot, come dey put some meat. No be all of them. Remember say I tell you say e get half of the meat one waka, another kind of waka. So I come dey put the one wey I need, the kpomo, the cow leg, the meat, the shaki, everything wey dey for the other pot. You see, everything don dey make sense, abi? I come dey put am inside this pot. Na so I come carry some stock too. I put am. That's why you wan boil your meat with enough water. No go overflow water wey go come dey tasteless. So I put some of that meat water, then dey call stock. I put am inside. Now, at this point, before I put my okra, I wan make sure say my fish no scatter. Na the reason why I fry am. Now, I come dey carry my spatula. I come dey use am dey comot the fish one by one. This fish don dey alright. I wan put am for another plate before I put okra, before I do better turning. Now, so I don comot the fish finish, I come carry my grounded crayfish, put am inside. I go put the measurements for my description box. If you wan know all these measurements, go there make you see am. Next thing, I put small water, I come turn am, mix am well. Then I cover am, allow am make e cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this thing don cook well. I go back to am, I see say e dey nice. I put small water again because I want make my soup get juice. I no want dey chop okra soup wey dry. All those kind of okra soup wey you go dey chop na only meat and no. This one I want make e get some water, and then I turn am, I cover am again, allow am make e cook for just 3 minutes. You see as e don dey boil now. I come carry my bitter leaf wey I don wash, I put am inside. This bitter leaf, e dey grow for my backyard. When cold wan start, I pluck everything, I wash am, I put am for fridge. Na some part of this bitter leaf now dey like use am cook soup. I carry am put inside. Now I wan make e cook with this one. The thing wey I come do, I come allow am make e dey cook for a while like so. Next thing what I do, I carry that my fish wey I don comot that time, I come put am inside, make him go meet him brother and his sister wey be meat, wey be cow leg, wey be kpomo, him senior brothers and his senior sisters. I put am inside, I come turn am. Then next thing what I wan do now, I wan start to dey put my okra. Now this okra, I don blend am small first. Now I make you see am like this. If you no get blender, you cut am small. If you no get, you pound. Some people dey pound am for Nigeria. I come put am like this. Sometimes I dey cook my okra make e dey jumbo, but this one e dey small like this. I blend am, then I come dey put my okra inside. See face of soup. This face of soup dey, you no get how you go see this soup wey you no go wan chop. The soup make sense bad, and e get plenty show boys. You know me na, wetin be food without Cameroon pepper? If Cameroon pepper no dey inside my soup wey I dey chop, that means say no be me cook that soup. I come put am small Cameroon pepper. I come carry small seasoning. After I taste am, I see say e need small thing wey be like salt, but you no suppose put too much salt for food. I come put am small maggi. I come allow am make e dey boil. Next thing, I go give am nice mixing. But you no wan mix am jaga mixing so that your fish no go spoil. So I mix am with style so that the fish no go break. I say make fish no spoil, no, make fish no break. Now I mean, the next thing, the soup done ready. You see, I can't serve my one and only odogu. This okra soup wey I serve the thing dey too sharp. Only I confess say, chai baby, I love you. This your soup, baby, I love you. Confess am, eh? In fact, I'm gonna leave that story for another day. Me sef, for my own corner, enjoy my own. I serve my little baby girl, she enjoy am. Na so our life can't go for this smooth okra soup. If you try am, tell me how yours turn. If you stay to the end of this video, thank you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you for my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.